Hello, welcome to Zia Labs. In today's video, we will look into 5 WhatsApp hacks that everyone needs to know. Number 1. How to download WhatsApp status video. I'm pretty sure that we normally ping our friends asking them to share their WhatsApp video status with us, or we do a screen recording. Let's see how can we get this done without these methods. First and foremost, visit the Files or Files Manager of your mobile phone. Go to the internal storages and look for a folder named WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp folder, look for Media and then inside that, look for a file named Statuses. Inside this folder, you will be able to see all the downloaded statuses that you have viewed on your mobile phone. Moving on to the second one, how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. It can get pretty annoying at times. In order to send a message to someone on WhatsApp, you first need to add their number to the contacts and then ping them. Well, by following these few simple steps on your phone's browser, you can text anyone on WhatsApp without having to save their contact details. Here is how you can do it. Open your phone's web browser and input api.whatsapp.com/send phone is equal to, where the first 2 digits are the country code and the rest 10 digits are the phone number. And then hit on message and you're good to go. Number 3. How to format the text on WhatsApp. At times you might need to convey or stress on few points or words while dropping someone a message, and using plain text for that can get boring. Here are some ways through which you can apply different changes in your WhatsApp text. To bold a word, add asterisks to the either side of the word. The same applies for a sentence. To express in italics, use an underscore on the either sides of the word. To incorporate a strike through, add tilde mark or tilde symbols to either sides of the word that you would like to strike. To change the font on WhatsApp, add 3 acute symbols to either sides of the word. To change WhatsApp color, download a WhatsApp Blue Text Stylish app from the Google's Play Store. It's neither an official update nor a part of the software release by WhatsApp, but a third-party application. Moving on to the fourth one, how to stop being added to random groups. It is very irritating when people add you to random groups without your permission. Let's see how can we sort this issue. Open your WhatsApp and go to Settings, followed by Accounts, then Privacy, and then Groups. And choose the option of your interest or the one that suits your requirement. This will prevent others from adding you to any group without your permission. Number 5. How to see deleted messages in WhatsApp. I'm sure that there would have been at least a single moment wherein you wanted to see the message that your friend sent and later deleted. This particular method is only for Android phones, and we'll be using a third-party application for this. Please note that this method might expose all your notifications to a third-party application, including OTPs and other important things. Use this method only at your own risk. Download and install What's Remote Plus on Google Play. After you're done with the download, set it up by granting the necessary permissions required. Now get back to the app and choose WhatsApp and other apps whose notifications you would like to store and tap Next. Hit Yes, Save File, and then Allow. Now you're all good to begin. From now on, all the notifications that you receive will be present on What's Remote Plus app. There are plenty of other apps available on Play Store, but this seems to be the best available option to us. I hope this video was informative to you. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you did not, feel free to hit the dislike button. Stay subscribed to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.